Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given the following diagram. P and Q coordinates are given. R is on this straight line L1 such that PQ is equals to QR. There's also a line 2 in blue color that is parallel to y-axis, means that it is a vertical line, okay? And it passes through point R and cuts the x-axis at point S. And so with all this information, let's look at part A, where we are required to find this equation of the line 1. So I'm going to zoom into line 1. And it is of great importance that you do take note that this point Q, right, is on the y-axis, where it is actually at this point 2. And this is so important because this tells me that this is a y-intercept, which is the point that cuts the y-axis. So with y equals to mx plus c, I already got my y-intercept, 2. So this c is actually 2. So my next concern would then be to find the gradient m. And I can do that easily because I got point P, I got point Q. So once I am able to get my gradient easily, gradient of L1 is simply y2 minus y1. So it will be 2 minus 0 over x. 2 minus x1, 0 minus negative 4. I will then be able to get my gradient as half. So I got my gradient as half. And therefore, the equation of the line of L1, let me just have some space up there, is y equals to half x plus 2. Done. For part B, where we are required to find the coordinates of R, and they give us a very important clue. They tell me that PQ and QR are equal to each other. This is a very, very important piece of information because this means that the triangle that I am going to draw are the same. Yes. And therefore, all I have to do, I'm going to focus on this diagram now, where I have my negative 4 to 0. This means that I will have 4 units here. And so, same goes from here to here. I should also have 4 units. Meaning from 0 to this point here, 4 units means 0 to 4. And so for point R, I will get my first coordinate. The x coordinate will be 4. Now go for the y coordinate, from 0 to 2. It is 2 units here, meaning from here to here it should also be 2 units. So from here 2 all the way to here, if it is going to be 2 units, 2 plus 2, 4. So I would have gotten my y coordinate as 4, and therefore for part B, the answer would be, for would be 4, 4. Done. For part C, now that we know the coordinates of R, and this point here is 4, and being a vertical line, the equation of the line is pretty straightforward now, because for all vertical line, all the coordinates is x equal to, in this case, 4. Vertical lines, the x coordinate, we start with x equals to the number, and in this case here is 4 because all the x coordinates on this vertical line is 4, and that comes with this name of this equation of line 2. Done. And last, for part D, where we are required to find the area of the trapezium O Q R S. Okay, so the right angle is here and right angle is here. The very first thing is I need to know that the area of trapezium is equals to half times the sum of parallel lines times height. So I have gotten my height here already. This is my height because the parallel lines is here. Yep. And from previous answer, I know this is 4, so I know this, the height is 4 units. And also because I know the coordinates of point Q to, this means that OQ is 2 units. And previously from R, from part C, we also now know that this point here is 4, meaning that this part here is 4 units. And with all these pieces of information, I will then be able to find my answer here. Half times the sum of the parallel sides, which is 2, plus 4, times the height. Height is 4. And therefore my final answer would be 12 units square. With that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.